than the Windows one. But it's basically the same approach. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to launch the client application. So I'm going to type GitHub, go up to Applications and hit Enter. And what it's going to show me is a few different things. So what I want to do is go up under File, and I'm going to click New Repository. Under New Repository, I'm going to say Test Repo. Let's take out the spaces and do Test Repo. And if you look, I'm at Users, my name, and then Temp Test Repo. If I go to Choose, here is the temp that I did just a few minutes ago. So now I'm going to create a new one called Test Repo in that same location. I'm going to turn off Push to GitHub. We will talk more about that in the upcoming examples. Create repo, and you're going to come over here to this commit. Click on Changes, and you'll see that there's no actual files on the file system. So now use whatever you want to go create a new file. I'm going to use the command line. So I'm going to go to cd temp, and I put that in temp because I'm really original. Actually, I didn't. I did that in temp test repo, and I'm going to echo another new file into a file called wes2.txt. And then I'm going to do an ls, and I see my file there, and then I'm going to come back here. Now in the Git tool, you'll see my another new file. You'll see this is the change that was there. So now what I'm going to type is a commit summary, added new file, and I'm going to click commit. Now the stage thing is different from the way that you saw from the command line, but with the ID, that's pretty much all you've got to do. If you come over here to history, you see I added a new file. There's the SHA tag, and here's the contents of the file. So that's a local repository using the GitHub UI with Git and creating a local one. So for the homework that you're going to see, you'll actually be required to use either the command line or the tool on your local repository to be able to track all the changes that you do. I'll see you guys next week.